Hey guys, just wanted to do a card share with you. Made a few cards yesterday and today, so I just thought I'd share them with you. This is a Sherri Baldy image, and again I used my Prismacolor pencils on all the images today. So I colored this one up, and I matted her on some light green that kind of goes with her hat and apron and stuff, polka dots. Just layered two laces here with some pearls. Cut a doily in half and put it back there. And then of course just some wild orchid craft flowers. So that is the first one. And I've said this before, I really, Sherri Baldy and Saturated Canary, they're my favorite images, stamps, digis, what have you. And the Sherri Baldy especially, because you can do like all different colors, just kind of crazy colors, with what you're doing. So that's why I like the Sherri Baldy ones too. So, I mean, they're sweet images, but that's why as well. So that's that one. And then this one is a Saturated Canary. And I used the Glamour Dust and the stickles on her dress. And this is a rosette from Lavish Laces. And this paper is Cartabella print, something princess, I think. Isn't that funny? I can't remember. Okay, but that's what the paper is. It's Cartabella. I just can't remember the line. And then I just put some bling down here. So that's that one. And then this is another Saturated Canary. And I just put a few different pieces of paper in the back, layered them, some lace, some burlap, like ribbon stuff. It's got wire in here, so I would consider it ribbon. And this is another Lavish Laces rosette with, I got these at the scrapbook store down the street. They're, let me grab one. They have this section that just has a bunch of different little knick-knacky things, and there are these, and they're poofy, with stuffing, and then I just took the pin off the back and adhered that there, and then just put some bling in the corners. So yeah, those are my cards that I'm sharing with you guys today. I hope you like them. Thanks for watching. Bye.